Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home. This is your Standard 2 Moral Science class, and we are going to do some exercises from the chapter 2, and that is love. As I have explained you all, and it is written also in the book, love is a feeling. It can't be shown, it can't be defined. It just can be felt. As we feel for you, we teachers, and you feel for us. We miss each other each and every day. Like that only our parents feel for us, because if we are together, sometimes they are annoyed, sometimes they scold, but ultimately they can't live without you. This is love. We accept them. Love is caring for someone, treating them with kindness and respect, and accepting them as they are. We accept the person as they are when we are in love. We don't want any changes. We want the real person. Now here is the story of a mouse and a cat, how they were enemies. And there was reason to be enemies, because this cat always troubled the mouse. See how he is chasing the mouse, and mouse is running. So this was the reason also. The cat ate the food of the mouse, always chased him, and he was always afraid of the mouse. And this made both of them enemies, isn't it? And once what happened? The cat fell sick. I will show you the sick cat. First, see how he felt sick. The cat got wet in the rain and fell sick. And when he was sick, he was sneezing and running with high fever. The mouse heard the cat sneezing, looked from its hole, and found that the cat is lying sick in her bed and shivering with cold. Now the cat was disturbing. That's why mouse is feeling very happy. Wow, cat is sick now. No one is going to disturb us. No one is going to chase me. Now I am free, independent. But what happened? This independency, here cat is lying sick. But this independence, after some time, he starting feeling bored. The mouse started feeling bored. And then what he thought? He thought of all the positive things of the cat, all the positive qualities. Here see what he thought. First he was singing and dancing, but when he saw all the good qualities, see here, she runs after me, but that keeps me wait. Let me put my picture upside. She runs after me, but that keeps me active. She frightens me, but that has made me regular in praying to God for help. Without her, my life would be so boring. Means whatever the cat was doing with the mouse understood the importance of it and realized that his life would be boring. And that's why see here, the cat brought food, milk, the mouse brought food, milk, and even medicine also for the cat, and fed it, gave it medicine, served it, look after him, and ultimately the cat got well. And after the cat became well, what happened? They remained good friends. Who? Mouse and the cat. Mouse plus cat became good friend. In real life it can't be, only in this story it is, my dear. And they were looking for ways to help each other. Here you can see, wait. Here you can see, as time went by, their love for each other increased. How? See, they both are loving each other. And they were always looking. This type of lovingly picture of cat and mouse, I don't think you have seen ever. But they were always looking for ways to help each other. When they fall in love with each other, they started looking the ways how they can help each other, and they lived for many years together. They would often say it is better to be friends than enemies. This right now you can realize it is better to be friends than enemies. And my dear, I think none of you are feeling very happy at home, because when we are together, we enjoy our life, we enjoy our friends, we enjoy our moments, because together we can sing, dance, study more, we can do more things together. Now here are some exercises related to this chapter. You have to write true and false. Our parents care for us because they love us, and this is true. You all are continuous disobeying your parents. You don't listen to them. You irritate them, but from early morning to late night, you will see they are working hard for you, looking after you, feeding you, and supporting you by each and every way they can. Next is they lived for many years together. Yes, the cat and mouse. This is true. The cat and the mouse lived for many years together. Next, see, the mouse always troubled the cat. Is this the true, my dear? It is false. Why? Because the cat troubled the mouse. Can a mouse trouble the cat? Mouse is always scared of the cat because cat eats up the mouse. The mouse was sneezing. This is also false. Why? Because mouse was not sneezing. Who was sneezing? Cat. Now next question we will see. The mouse started singing and dancing when cat was sick. Yes, my dear. First, mouse started singing and dancing when cat was sick. That my enemy is going to die. Isn't it? Later when he understood all the positive side of the cat, then he served, then he brought medicine, then he looked after him. But before that, mouse started singing and dancing when the cat was sick. It is true. We should love everyone, and my dear, it is very true, because God has created all the living beings for a purpose. So we should not hurt anyone. We should love everyone. There should be not a single trace of hatred in our heart and in our mind. Our heart and mind should be full of love and affection for others. Not only for human beings, for animals also, for plants also, because without plants also we can't live. Without animals also we can't survive. Animals help us in lot of ways. Plant is the only reason to survive on the earth. So we should take care of it. Now we can help a person who has lost hope by sharing anger. No, my dear, we can help a person who has lost hope by sharing love, affection, by encouraging them, giving them hope in their life. Only we can. So it is false. When we love someone, we make them feel glad. True. When we love someone, what happens? We take care of them. We are kind to them. We are supportive to them. So, when we love someone, we make them feel happy or glad. Now here is the quotation. Be the essence of cleanliness among mankind. And what is the meaning of this quotation? You know. We should be the example of cleanliness among mankind. Because cleanliness is the thing, my dear, which is very essential for us. If we are dirty, we may face many problems. Many disease occurs due to the dirt. So we should be an example of cleanliness among mankind. And cleanliness doesn't mean to run away from the dirty place. It means that we should make that place clean. See, one who maintains cleanliness keeps away disease. And the clean person is not the one that runs away from dirt, but one who takes the time and effort to tidy up a dirty environment. So this is the meaning of cleanliness. Now thank you, my dear, for watching the video, and hope you all will obey your parents, you all will love everyone, serve everyone, because this is the demand of time today, that we should support each other. Thank you.